how to wire, how-to video, how to make your own, how to make your own hardtop part, how to change the oil, how to fix taillight problems, how to install, how to do a complete tune-up. I'm going to show you how to do that. So today, I'm going to show you how to change some wiper blades. We're going to change over to these Bosch Icons. This is actually kind of different from vehicle to vehicle because I've seen some vehicles that have like different little adapters and stuff, but generally most of these are going to be the same. These are, I don't remember what these blades are, but to get these ones off, you basically have a little tab here on the back that you need to push down on and then pull to you, and it just unsnaps. Changing wiper blades is really easy, but I've seen a lot of people that have issues with doing them. And I guess that's as companies keep making different types of wiper blades, they get a little different to install, but none of them are really all that bad. Just going to try to make this a short, simple video. And we take our new wiper blade, and you see these little serrations here. You're going to squeeze and pull that up. Then we're going to take our wiper blade and we're going to orient it like this. We're going to pass our wiper arm through this hole here, through the little cover. And then you'll see that there's a little slot down inside here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you'll be able to see it in person. But there's a little slot in there, and you just slide the hook of your wiper arm on there and pull back like that. It'll snap. Close your cover, and that's it. So wiper blades are really easy to change. I see a lot of people at auto parts stores, like when they get new wipers, they just have the people there install them, which is fine. I mean, hey, it's free labor. But if you pick up a set at like Walmart or something like that, and there's nobody there to install them, that's how you install the Bosch Icon style wiper blades. So like I said, this could be a little different for other blades, but just a quick little simple how-to. Hopefully it'll help some people. Thanks for watching.